Like, take a picture. I'm
He
all
likes
for
the
enhancing.
attention.
He does. Oh, he's like, let me see how many paws I can get in this one little hole. Now I'm gonna kick it.
And that's the only toy they give him?
I don't know. He likes his toy though. He keeps kicking out of the way, then he's going to grab it and bring it back. I like to see the other one walk up and just take his toy and walk away.
Yeah.
That one would come after me.
Yeah, that would be pretty funny, wouldn't it? He'd be like, it's my toy.
No, it's my toy.
Yeah, when they go in their little pool and swim is fun.
Where's the little pool at?
Right there. The little pond. It gets filled up with water.
I wonder if he sees a deer across the way over here and is like, ooh, deer.
They don't eat deer, honey.
I bet they could if they could catch him.
Ah, look how cute he is.
It is one big, full-grown black bear. Wow.
It went back in
He went back in his little house.
That's why.
He's like having such a blissful moment right now.
I know.
He's like, I'm just laying here in the cool grass with the cool breeze. And I'm playing with oh, now I put the donut on my head.
Dude, we're getting Yeah! There it goes! Good job, buddy!
He's like, now it's far away from me.
Yay!
Yay!
Raise a paw! Woo-hoo!
Raise the paw, buddy! You're the best entertainer so far at the zoo today. Or at the nature complex, sorry. I know it's a nature complex. I apologize, Susanna. Is it Susanna or Susanna? Susanna, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, he's cute.
Oh, you dropped your little ball. Where'd it go?
No, it rolled away.
I gotta go get it now. I'm just a happy bear.
He's like, do I really want to go get it?
He's like, I don't know if I really want to go get it.
Play under there. Go get it.
He's so...
Doesn't he remind you of my dog, Happy? Kind of.
Yeah, because how he would roll around like a big sloth.
Doesn't he kind of remind you of Happy?
Does that feel good to scratch your leg like that? Yeah, scratch it, scratch it. How does that feel? You're such a big bear. You're so big, buddy.
Hey, you're a big fat bear. You're a fat bear and you're adorable and I like you a lot and I want to hug you because you're my teddy bear. April!
I almost want to cuddle you, but I know that you would probably slice me into pieces with your big sharp claws.
But again, you're like a teddy bear. We love you forever, Freddy. Freddy, I know you love us too. Is he cleaning himself with the grass? Go get your toy. Go get your toy.
I bet they wouldn't attack you if you fell in. I bet he's really kind of friendly.
Because if he was mean, he'd be roaring at us. He's domesticated.
Yeah, he's domesticated, right? Oh.
He's biting himself.
Yeah, get yourself. That's right, you bite yourself, buddy. Tell him who's boss.
Go in the pool, my pretty little bear. Go
Where's the pool?
What do you think? In there.
Oh, I didn't see it. I thought it was all rock.
I think that's a pool. No, that's just all rocks.
No, there's water in there, isn't it? Yeah, I can see water. I just didn't know.
Oh, I see water.
You're a big, lovable bear. You're such a big, lovable bear.
Wouldn't that be so sad if you rolled down the rock and rolled all the way down there?
It would be funny.
Especially on a hot day because he's a
He's pulling his hair out.
Yeah, he's big.
Dude, he's really big, huh? Oh my goodness. What a big bear.
What a big bear. Oh, go get it! Oh, you can get the stick. We could throw the stick and maybe he'll be like a dog and chase it. Now I'll play my stick.
What are you doing, Dingo Bat?
Wow, he's really big.
Hey, buddy!
You're so pretty.
I don't know bears can.
You're handsome. Whichever way you are.
He's probably like, I'm so sick of you guys.
Oh. No, he can't be bold. Hi, buddy. He's like, my belly. Want to rub my belly?
Get in my belly.
I have to. How's that go?
He's like, get in my belly.
Alright, have you had there?
No, I could watch this all day.
I know, he's so cute.
Fluffy.
Alex, did you ever see that movie with John Travolta when he gets stuck, the guy gets in the bear cage and he's being held by the bear? Or no, that was a orangutan.
Yeah, I've had enough of the bears.
Oh yeah, I know you're talking. He gets stuck in there. Yeah.
How's everybody else?
What's he doing? He's biting himself.
Are you done? I can watch it.
Aw, he's gonna itch on his thigh.
No problem. He's like, oh yeah.
He's like, oh, scratching feels good.
You're Jilly. He has a little sprinkle. Yeah, he has a little
That's funny that they were.
That's funny high.
Now he's like, ooh, my belly. I got this on my belly.
He's ready? Here we go. I'm going to toss Jordan in there. He's rubbing his
Maybe let's take a picture of the bear in the background.
Let's all take a picture.
Hold on, let me get the camera.
You have to be like, yeah, the bear. Like,
That big guy is so cute.
so we gotta be like, oh, they went away. Peyton! They went away. Come here, Peyton!
Bye, bear.
I want to keep watching.
Aw, what are you doing now?
What are you doing? That's right. Go raise your hand.
Oh my god, he's funny.
I know.
I'm watching a bear. He's down there.
Alright, we got Alex. Bye, buddy. You're off like